Welcome. I'm back with another video. I'm doing another unboxing for y'all. I got some fire today. I got Club de Nuit Untold. Right here for y'all. Check it out. This is basically Baccarat Rouge 540 by Maison Francis Kurkdjian. They're basically like twin brothers. It's a slight difference, but they're like twin brothers. For this right here, the notes are saffron, jasmine. Those are the top notes. Middle notes are amberwood and ambergris. Base notes, fir resin, and cedar. So this is really nice. I smelled this one before, but we just gonna unbox it together. You know, let's do this. Let's open it. Let's see. Hopefully it don't troll me. Come on there. Okay, we made it through that one. Let's get that junk out of here. Here's the box. Here's the bottom of the box. Here's the back of the box. Here's the side. And we got a little hologram right here. Okay, let's see. Open it up. At the top, you got the gold right here. Oh, this is nice presentation. You got Armaf, they let you know. They're one of my favorites actually, Armaf, I'm not gonna lie to you. Okay, it comes with a little card inside. You see that right there? Let me get this card out for you. It says, okay, so the Armaf Club de Nuit milestone, and it's also Imperial. So they're just doing a little cross promotion. On the back, you see the Untold, and you also see Sillage. I have all of these, except for Milestone and Sillage I have. But I like the promotion. Sterling, they just giving you that. Okay, inside is gold. This is a real nice box. I would keep the box up if I was into that kind of thing, but I'll throw it out. But, here we go. We got Club de Nuit Untold. Look at that box. This is really nice. Okay, we can go for the smell. I smelled it already, but let's do it. Let's start playing. Let's see the atomizer. That's a nice atomizer. Ah, that's nice. Yeah, these are twins. They're the same thing. You don't even have to. I mean, if you have this, you can have this. You can actually mix them if you want, but this is the same thing. Don't even, again, the only difference with this one is that note of leather. The notes are the same, but this has like a little leather smell to it, but these are very identical. I kid you not, I wouldn't tell you no lies. I kid you not, these are identical. So if you don't want to spend for this, and you want that same smell, go for this one. This is really nice. This is Baccarat Rouge 540. This is Club de Nuit Untold. Both, same thing, both fire. Actually, I'm gonna throw a little bit on today. I'm feeling myself. All right, check it out. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see y'all around next time.